Want to share something from your WhatsApp status with your friends on Facebook? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook. Now let's get started. To begin, open WhatsApp and create a new status, either with a photo, video, or text only. Then tap the blue arrow to post it. Once you've posted your status, you should see a Share to Facebook option appear below. Tap Share to Facebook Story. You may be prompted to give WhatsApp permission to open your Facebook app. Tap Open. This will launch Facebook on your device with your WhatsApp status loaded into a story post. Tap Share Now to post it. That's all it takes to share your WhatsApp status on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.